Good morning to all of you. Last topic I have completed chapter 13 and now I will teach you chapter 3 other uses of plants. What is the other uses of plants? Plants are the cheap source of food for us, but they are otherwise useful too. We get many other things from plants that are used for several purposes. Let us read about these things. We know that plants are the cheap source of food and it is very useful for us and it is useful for many ways. And we get many things from the plants and it is used for the several purpose. Now we get wood from plants. We get wood from plants. First thing is we get wood from plants, and wood is the most useful material we get from plants. It is used for making furniture. What is the use of wood? It is used for making furniture, doors, window, sports goods and many other things. Such wood is called timber. What is called? It is called timber. What is called? It is called the timber. Teak, deodar, shisham and walnut are some timber giving trees. Firewood from plants is used as fuel. Dead leaves are used as manure. In diagram you can see that this dead leaves is used as manure and this teak firewood from the plants is used as fuel. And you can see that we are getting wood from the plants and then we are making different things. We can see in the diagram bed, door, table, window, etc. Different things you can see in the diagram we are making from the wood. So we get wood from plants. Now second topic is we get medicines from some plants. We know that different medicines we are getting from the plants, and some plants are very useful for us like neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric and other plants. Now we get medicines from some plants. Plants like neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric and cinchona gives us medicines. We are getting medicines from different plants: neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric and cinchona. And quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona tree. From where we are getting quinine? Quinine we are obtained from the bark of cinchona plant. It is a medicine used for malaria. What is its use? This medicine is used for malaria. This medicine is used for malaria. Leaves of neem tree are used to wash wounds and boils. Leaves of the tulsi plants are used to treat fevers, cough, etc. And what is the function of tulsi leaves? It is used for the treating fevers, coughs, etc. And many other herbs are also used to treat different diseases. Many other herbs are also used to treat different diseases, and different types of, not only these plants, different types of herbs are also using for the materials for the different diseases. You can see in the diagram leaves of neem tree, leaves of the tulsi plant. You can see in the diagram leaves of neem tree and leaves of the tulsi plant, and it is very useful for the different diseases.